Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Mushfiqur Rahman and we are back with another video. Alright guys, we are all familiar with sky shot. So we have here a big sky shot. So we are going to cut this sky shot and see what is inside it. So before we start our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. Alright guys, you guys can see there is a paper cap on it. So alright guys, you can see the sky shot inside. Usually the sky shot is a half empty and half is a part of the sky shot. So let's cut it. Our big alright guys, you can see there is another cap on it. Alright guys, let's see what is inside it. So alright guys, what is see now, it's a black gunpowder. Alright guys, the main ball. It looks like a mine or grenade or something. All this gunpowder lift this ball to the sky and then boom. Alright guys, I want to taste this gunpowder. So all these gunpowder lift this ball to the sky and look at the fuse with it. It just caught fire and went up to explode it. So we will not cut because it's a normal cracker. So let's fire this ball. So usually fireworks fire at night. So we will do the same. So let's make a fuss.
This video is truly for entertainment purpose. Please don't try this at home.
Alright guys, let's make a boom. So alright guys, you guys can see what a blast. Oh my god, that's really amazing. So alright guys, I hope you guys have fun in this video. If you guys have fun, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. So this is God of Experiment. My name is Mushfiqur Rahman and I will catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.